In this video, we'll solve a sort here. The question says, find the value of x and y if 1 over 2 minus square root of 3 equals x plus y root 3. The first thing to do, you would say 1 over 2 minus root 3 times its conjugate, which is 2 plus root 3 over 2 plus root 3. Next, we'll open the bracket. We'll say 1, we'll create a bracket, 2 plus 3, actually root 3, close bracket, over, I'm going to write these 2, and I will write everything on the conjugate in brackets and multiply them together. So I have 2, open bracket, 2 plus root 3, close bracket. Next, I'll write minus root 3, and I will also write everything here in brackets. So it becomes minus root 3, open bracket, 2 plus root 3, close bracket. And this will become 2 plus root 3. If you multiply everything by 1 in numerator, 2 times 2 is 4, or 2 times root 3 is plus 2 root 3 minus 2 root 3 minus root 3 here, minus root 3 times plus root 3 would give us root 9, and the square root of root 9 is 3. So I'm going to write minus 3 here. And next, I would go further, but before we go further, I would want you to note something. Plus 2 root 3 minus 2 root 3, they would cancel each other out, so we are going to be having 0 here. So I wouldn't write this or this again, so they will cancel each other out. So next, we would have 2 plus root 3 over 4 minus 3, and this would amount to 2 plus root 3 over 1, which could also be written as just 2 plus root 3. Now recall that previously we're given, from our question here, we're given everything here equals x plus y root 3. So here's what's going to happen now. Would say our x here would be equal to this part of the of our answer, and our y root 3 will be equal to this part. So x equals just s equals 2, comma, y equals 1 root 3, which is also so our final answer is, therefore final answer is 2 plus root 3. I would go again so you get this, if you don't get it what I said just now. X equals 2. Note, they say everything here, after you finish solving this sort, it should be in a simple form so as to resemble or look like this one here. So what we got here as our x is 2. So I said x equals 2. And what we got here, y root 3, is just 1. There's an invisible 1 here, 1 root 3. So our y equals 1 root 3. And this is our final answer. You win. Just believe.